Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol KGKG. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Very nice movement today, not only from a price action perspective, but you look down here at the volume, and definitely the biggest volume this chart has had for quite a while. So let's map out some levels of support, and then we'll talk about areas of resistance. So the first level of support is what I would call the ideal level. When you say, hey Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? And that would be if the price can stay up above 9 cents. Now, don't get me wrong. If the price falls below 9, I'm not saying the entire chart's broken or ruined or anything like that. I'm just saying, preferably speaking, yeah, if the price can stay up above that area, then that would definitely be a huge sign of power going forward. Next level of support after that, right down there at 8 cents. So 9 cents and then 8 cents, two of the near-term levels of support. Taking a step back and looking at things from the big picture point of view, that is where the purple line comes into play, the famous 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving. As time goes by, that line is going to move itself higher and higher. So a very basic yet highly effective way to judge the health of the move, that right there being defined as quote-unquote the move. Just watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. However you can best visualize that, that is what's being represented. Again, sure, stand up above 9 cents, that would be great, but from the grand scheme of it all, as long as the price is above that purple line, the bulls 100% own the chart. Now, what about levels of resistance? As far as where the sellers are hanging out at, nothing special behind that. This is just simply where the party stopped today. But right up there, slightly above 10 cents, will be public enemy number 1 going forward, as that's, like I said, the area of resistance where the seller showed up. All in all, though, just keep on building higher bases, putting in those higher lows like the chart has been doing, and everything else will take care of itself. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.